Hey everybody, how are you? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks, and happy Pride Month. It is June 2nd. Actually, it's June 1st today. I'm recording this on a Sunday, and I'll tell you why. But we got a lot to celebrate all this month for Pride Month, so happy Pride. I got up early today, so today is a Sunday, and I got up early because I'm doing a couple of things. But when I go out to the burbs, usually on a Sunday, and I'm in Chicago, Illinois, I pass on a Sunday this thing called Wolf Flea Market. And it's gigantic. It's in the Allstate Arena in Rosemont, and I've always wanted to go. I'm not a big flea market guy, but it looks enormous. So it goes from 6 a.m. until 2 p.m. Just on a Sunday. So I got up early today, and when I usually sleep in because I'm on a mission, it was going to be a beautiful day. So I drove out here, and it's what time is it right now? I gotta look. It's about 10 after 9 in the morning. All right, the place is already packed, and honey, it's going to be crazy. So I thought for this vlog for Monday that I'm going to just show you this huge flea market and everything that's going on. I know some friends of mine, my friend especially Tammy in Michigan, she's gonna love this because she loves flea markets. But I thought I would come and check this place out. I've driven by it many times, and I thought I would just come here and enjoy my day. I got another place I got to stop at later, so it's just kind of my day. It's a Greg day for World Pride, for Gay Pride, everything. So anyway, enjoy the video. I hope you have a great Monday, and I'll leave the address of where this place is at the end of the video. All right, so have a great one. Happy Pride. Be there, love one another, subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on Wednesday. Enjoy the video, everybody, and take care.
Tom?